The Sahara Desert, an endless ocean of sand, a place of extremes where the sun blazes relentlessly by day and the temperature plummets at night. It is a landscape that seems both timeless and ever-changing, shaped by the wind and the shifting dunes. It stands as a symbol of desolation, a vast emptiness that stretches as far as the eye can see, intimidating and awe-inspiring in equal measure. From the ground, it feels infinite, a golden expanse that swallows all sense of direction, where the horizon blurs into shimmering heat. For centuries, only the hardiest have dared to cross it. Nomads, traders, and explorers have all risked their lives to traverse this unforgiving terrain, guided by the stars and the promise of distant oases. But what if this barren wasteland hides a secret history? What if, beneath the endless sand, there are stories waiting to be uncovered? Beneath the sand lies a story not of emptiness, but of a vibrant world lost to time, a world where people once thrived, built cities and left their mark on the land. Here, history is buried, erased by millennia of wind and sun, hidden beneath layers of shifting dunes and forgotten by the world above. The Sahara guards its secrets well, but for those willing to dig, the rewards are immense. Every artifact unearthed is a window into a forgotten era, a clue to a civilization that once flourished here. Adventurers and archaeologists see it as the ultimate challenge, a treasure hunt on a continental scale. Subtle clues, strange rock formations, mysterious patterns in the sand, and ancient tools hint at a world waiting to be rediscovered. Faint outlines on satellite images, barely visible to the naked eye, suggest the presence of lost settlements, ancient roads, and forgotten rivers, all hidden beneath the desert's surface. We're not just searching for artifacts, but for an entire chapter of human history swallowed by the desert, waiting to be brought back into the light. The quest to uncover this lost world is one of the greatest expeditions of our time, a journey that combines science, adventure, and the enduring human spirit of discovery. We're peeling back the layers of the planet searching for a ghost, a time when the Sahara was green, rivers flowed, and cities thrived. Imagine a landscape teeming with life where now only sand remains. The story of the Sahara is not just about what it is today, but what it once was, and what secrets it may still hold beneath its endless sea of sand. The idea of a lost world beneath the Sahara isn't just fantasy, it's rooted in legend, ancient memory, and mounting evidence. For centuries, the desert has guarded its secrets, whispering hints of a forgotten past to those willing to listen. Tuareg nomads speak of ancient cities and vanished oases, stories once dismissed as mere folklore. Around their campfires, elders recount tales of rivers that once flowed, and gardens that bloomed where now only sand remains. But explorers and scientists began finding things that challenged our assumptions, artifacts and ruins that hinted at a thriving world long before the desert took over. Imagine trekking for weeks under a relentless sun, then stumbling upon rocks covered in mysterious carvings, giraffes, elephants, crocodiles, and people swimming, all etched by hands from a distant age. These aren't just doodles. They're messages from a time when the Sahara teemed with life, when rivers and lakes dotted the landscape and animals roamed freely. Sites like Tassili Nadjer in Algeria are open-air galleries telling the story of a different Sahara, a green, vibrant world, now lost beneath the sands. If people lived here, they built communities, raised families, and created art that still speaks to us across millennia. Their lives were shaped by a landscape utterly unlike the one we see today. But where did they go? What happened to their world? Did they vanish or did they adapt as the land changed around them? The desert buries evidence, erodes structures, and turns cities to dust. Over centuries, shifting sands have hidden entire civilizations from view. The search intensified as scientists realized they needed to understand the land itself, its climate, its cycles, and its secrets locked beneath the surface. Geologists, archaeologists, and climatologists joined forces, combining their expertise to piece together the puzzle of the Sahara's transformation. To find the lost civilization, they had to learn how the Sahara changed over thousands of years, how lush grasslands became endless dunes, and how people adapted or disappeared. The wind carries whispers of the past. If you listen closely, they can guide you to stories buried deep beneath the sand, waiting to be uncovered. Those whispers point to where the desert's deepest secrets are buried, urging us to keep searching, to keep asking, and to never stop listening to the echoes of a lost world. Deep in the Sahara lies the Tamanrasett Uplift, a massive geological feature key to the mystery. It's a dome of rock rising for millions of years, exposing ancient layers. Here, erosion acts like a natural excavation, revealing a lost landscape. Ancient riverbeds, dried lakes, and formations hint at a wetter, more temperate past. Where there's water, there's life, and the potential for civilization. The Uplift is a roadmap to the past, pointing to promising locations for discovery. If a sophisticated society existed here, its foundations might still be preserved. The Tamanrasett Uplift isn't just geology, it's a window into a lost epoch. It may hold the story of a forgotten people, etched into the earth itself. Scientists are captivated, knowing this anomaly could reveal a vanished world. The hunt is on, and the Uplift is our primary target. Here, the past is closer to the surface than anywhere else in the Sahara. Today, exploration is revolutionized by satellite imagery, an eye in the sky that sees what's hidden below. From hundreds of kilometers above, satellites capture vast stretches of the Earth, revealing secrets that have been buried for millennia. This technology allows us to look beyond the surface, to peer into the past and uncover stories written in the land itself. Satellites detect subtle soil variations, buried structures, and ancient waterways invisible from the ground. These faint traces, often missed by the naked eye, become visible through the lens of advanced sensors, helping researchers identify where ancient civilizations once thrived. Advanced imaging, like ground-penetrating radar, creates 3D maps beneath the sand. These tools allow scientists to visualize what lies below without disturbing the surface, offering a non-invasive way to explore and understand the hidden layers of history. This technology revealed a massive ancient river system, the Tamanrasett River, once a life-giving artery across West Africa. Its discovery has reshaped our understanding of the Sahara's past, showing that this desert was once a lush green landscape teeming with life. Its path is now hidden, but from space, it's clear as day. The river's ghostly outline winds through the sand, a reminder of a time when water shaped the land and supported ancient communities. Satellite maps are treasure maps for modern explorers, pinpointing promising locations. With every new discovery, these digital maps guide archaeologists to sites that might otherwise remain lost forever. Archaeologists look for geometric patterns, dark soil patches, and river convergences, signs of settlements. These clues, scattered across the desert, help piece together the puzzle of human history in this vast and challenging environment. Each new image brings another piece of the puzzle into focus. As technology advances, the resolution and detail improve, revealing even more about the ancient world hidden beneath the sands. The view from space confirms the legends. The Sahara was once vibrant and inhabited. What was once thought to be endless emptiness is now recognized as a landscape rich with history and life. Satellite images show scars of a lost world, providing a blueprint for discovery. These marks are the fingerprints of time, guiding researchers to the remnants of forgotten civilizations. Now the challenge is to ground truth these sites. Archaeologists must journey into the desert, braving harsh conditions to confirm what satellites have revealed from above. The eye in the sky has shown us the way. It has opened a new era of discovery, where technology and human curiosity work hand in hand. It's time to follow the map, and let the desert reveal its secrets once more. Some evidence of this lost world has already been found. In Niger's remote Jado Plateau lie the ruins of a fortified city, stone buildings, walls, and watchtowers now abandoned. Jado is a ghost city, a silent testament to those who once thrived here. Walking its ruins, you can trace streets and courtyards, imagining a greener past. Archaeologists believe Jado was a vital oasis on ancient trade routes, protected by its fortress. The city was inhabited for centuries but abandoned as the climate grew harsher and water vanished. Jado is a stark reminder of civilization's fragility in the face of environmental change. It proves complex societies existed deep in the Sahara. Jado is a whisper of a grander civilization still waiting to be found. To understand the people who lived here, we must understand their world, a world that was once green. From 11 to 5,000 years ago, the Sahara experienced the African humid period, or Green Sahara. Monsoons drenched the land, filling rivers and lakes. Core samples reveal pollen, freshwater shells, and chemical signatures of savannas and woodlands. The Sahara then resembled modern East Africa, a paradise for wildlife and humans. This Green Sahara was the cradle of the civilization we seek. People thrived, developing art, culture, and complex societies. But climates change. Around 5,000 years ago, the rain stopped, lakes dried, and the desert advanced. People faced a stark choice: adapt, migrate, or perish. This climate shift turned a thriving civilization into a ghost. Understanding this collapse is crucial. It explains why remains are now buried beneath the sand. The Green Sahara's end is the key to the mystery. Finding a lost civilization in the Sahara now requires more than shovels and brushes. Modern archaeology blends high-tech science with rugged fieldwork. It starts in the lab, analyzing satellite data and geological maps for anomalies. Once a site is identified, teams head out with supplies and scientific equipment. On the ground, they use magnetometers and ground-penetrating radar to scan for buried features. These tools allow archaeologists to X-ray the ground, mapping settlements before digging. The process is methodical and less destructive, preserving the site's integrity. When data points to something significant, careful excavation begins. Every artifact is meticulously recorded, revealing trade, technology, and daily life. This fusion of technology and science is unlocking the Sahara's secrets. One of the Sahara's greatest secrets lies deep beneath the sand, a vast reservoir of ancient freshwater. The Nubian sandstone aquifer and others hold fossil water from the Green Sahara era. This hidden ocean explains the existence of oases, where the ground dips to meet the water table. For ancient civilizations, controlling these oases was vital for survival as the climate dried. Could they have tapped into this water with early engineering? It's possible. The aquifer is a direct link to the lost world, guiding archaeologists to key sites. Mapping this underground water could reveal where people made their last stand. The water beneath the sand is both a relic and a roadmap. The Sahara guards its secrets, but the search for its lost civilization is far from over. We have clues: rock art, Giotto's ruins, the Ghost River, and the Tamanrasett Uplift. Each discovery is a fragment of a much larger story. The biggest finds may still lie buried. With every technological advance, our map of the unknown sharpens. The reward? A new chapter in human history, reshaping our understanding of ancient civilizations and climate change. The Sahara is a laboratory of lost paradise, a story that needs telling. Its enduring mystery is a call to adventure and discovery. There are unwritten chapters, and the next one may be beneath the sand. The search continues, because somewhere in that endless sea of gold, the truth is waiting.